Can't, Emily's piano story? Emily loves music. She can play the piano very well. Every day, she plays songs for her family. But she can't sing. She says, I can play, but I can't sing. Her little brother laughs and claps. Emily smiles. I can teach you how to play the piano too, she says. Sarah's travel plan. Sarah is planning a holiday. She says, I may go to Italy this summer. She loves Italian food and art. But her friend asks, what if it rains? Sarah laughs, then I might stay in a museum all day. She looks at the map and smiles. I may also visit France, she says. Or I might just relax on a beach. Jake's exam day. Jake has a big exam today. He says, I must wake up early. He eats breakfast and studies a little. His mom says, you must take your ID card. At school, he feels nervous. I must try my best, Jake tells himself. After the test, he smiles. I did it. I must tell my parents. Lisa feels sick. Lisa doesn't feel well. She says, I should go to the doctor. Her friend says, yes, you should rest too. At the clinic, the doctor says, you should take this medicine. Lisa nods. I should stay home today and drink tea, she says. Mia's dream. Mia dreams about traveling the world. She says, if I had more money, I would go to Japan. Her friend asks, what would you do there? Mia smiles, I would eat sushi and visit temples. She adds, one day, I would love to live there for a year. Grandpa's story. Grandpa tells a story from his youth. When I was young, I could run very fast, he says. I could climb trees and swim in the river. His grandchildren listen with big eyes. Grandpa, could you teach us? He laughs, of course. I could show you some tricks.